So, hey people, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do a knockout text effect in Canva. So, let's begin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. So, let's begin. So, first of all, you're gonna take the size over here. And now, after my page has been loaded, now I'm gonna go in the elements. And I'm gonna pick the star over here. I'm gonna change its color to a bright yellow. I'm gonna resize it a little bit small, like this. Alright, now I'm just gonna go in the text. I'm gonna add a heading and type in here a star. I'm gonna change this font to engine. I'm gonna make it italic. And I'm just gonna resize it and change its color to a white. I know it's not visible, but trust the process. And I'm just gonna adjust it like this. So after this procedure is done, now I'm gonna add a page and I'm gonna copy all of this and I'm gonna paste it over here. But this time I'm gonna change my star's color to a white and I'm gonna send my text to the back and change its color to that same yellow. Like this. Now I'm gonna download both of these pages. Like this page number 1, 2. Alright. Now I'm gonna add a page and I'm gonna drop these two pictures right here like this. And now I'm gonna go and scroll over here and go to the apps. I'm gonna type in here blend blend image. And I'm gonna take this click on this first icon over here. And I'm gonna select this as my top layer and this as my bottom layer. And make sure you're on multiply blend mode. And now I'm gonna add this to design. And voila! I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends. Bye bye!